These beautiful pistols that you're looking at right now are actually rare works of art, and I'll show you why. First are the upgrades these guns are stacked with, like a new blowback unit, inner barrel, bucking, trigger, magwell, and a whole lot more. Now, the thing that makes them more valuable than the Mona Lisa is, of course, this insane one-of-one hand-done anodizing on every single one of the aluminum components, which makes these 4 pistols here some of my all-time favorite high kappas. Finally, not only do they look absolutely amazing, but they also shoot phenomenally, and you can tap these 2 spots here if you want to check them out.